In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect the Shokz OpenDots Air to your smart TV. Now, the first thing you're going to do is just navigate to the Bluetooth settings on your smart TV. Each smart TV has different ways of you navigating to your Bluetooth, so just go ahead and navigate to it. Now, once you're in your Bluetooth settings, you should be able to see an option such as scan for nearby devices, or it will automatically start. So from here, you're then just going to grab your Shokz OpenDots Air, open up the case, press on the touch button, and put the buds in pairing mode. Once they're in pairing mode, you then want to go back to the Bluetooth settings on your TV and look under the list of available devices for your Shokz OpenDots Air, and then go ahead and select them. Confirm that you wish to pair and connect. Wait for it to be connected. And then once it's been successfully connected, you should now be able to use the buds to listen to any audio coming from your smart TV. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.